Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education. This is part 2 of Standard 5 second lesson Operation on Large Numbers. Today we are going to talk about multiplication. In the last video we talked about addition and subtraction. So before we begin, please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay students, so let's talk about multiplication. We have already done multiplication in our previous standards. So the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiplied is called multiplier and the result of multiplication is called product. For example, 12 multiplied by 3 we get 36. Okay, so here 12 is multiplicand. So here number 12 is multiplicand. Number 3 is multiplier and answer 36 is called product. Okay, so we already know about these terms. So now let's see property of multiplication. Okay students, so let's see property of multiplication. Our first property is order property. The product of two numbers does not change when the order of number changed. मतलब कि जो हम नंबर्स के ऑर्डर चेंज करें, आगे पीछे करें तो प्रोडक्ट यानी कि आंसर चेंज नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 20. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. हमने यहाँ पे 4 and 4 की पोजीशन चेंज की. यहाँ पे 5 multiplied by 4 है एंड यहाँ पे 4 multiplied by 5 है, बट द आंसर इज द प्रोडक्ट इज सेम. इट मीन्स 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 multiplied by 5. So this is order property of multiplication. So children, our second property is grouping property. The product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of the numbers is changed. यानी कि हमें जो तीन नंबर्स दिए गए हैं तो हम इन तीन नंबर्स के ग्रुप्स चेंज करेंगे तो प्रोडक्ट में यानी कि आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. We put these two numbers in one group here and we put these two numbers in one group here. Okay, so let's do multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12 and here 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 2 24 and 6 multiplied by 4 also 24. So product is same. Both of the side answer is same. So our grouping property says if we change the group, answer does not change. Product remain same. तो ग्रुप्स चेंज करने से आंसर या प्रोडक्ट चेंज नहीं होगी. So this is our grouping property. So students, our third property of multiplication is multiplication property of 0. What it says? It says if we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. For example, 12 multiplied by 0 is 0. 369 multiplied by 0 is 0. 24,537 multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay students, so our multiplication property of 0 कहती है कि किसी भी नंबर का 0 के साथ हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर, हमारी प्रोडक्ट आएगी 0. किसी भी नंबर के साथ 0 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से हमें 0 ही मिलेगा. So this is multiplication property of 0. Okay students, so next is multiplication property of 1. What it says? It says product of number and 1 is the number itself. किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम एक के साथ करेंगे तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट वो नंबर खुद ही आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 15 multiplied by 1 we get 15. 37 multiplied by 1, we get 37. 434 multiplied by 1 is 434. 25,63,571 multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Okay, so you got the point. आप समझ सकते हैं कि किसी भी नंबर का हम एक के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर वो नंबर खुद ही आएगा, लाइक दिस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हमारी लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? सो लेट्स सी. ए मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू A multiply by B plus A multiply by C. Okay, A multiply by B plus C is equal to A multiply by B plus A multiply by C. Okay, so this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. What we did here? We did multiplication over addition. Okay, हम ये इक्वेशन यहाँ पे सबसे पहले एडिशन कर सकते थे, फिर इसके आंसर के साथ इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते थे, लेकिन हमने एडिशन ना किया और सबसे पहले इन दोनों नंबर्स को इस नंबर के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मल्टीप्लाइड a with b and then we did addition and we multiplied a with c. ओके, सो हमने इन दोनों नंबर्स को ये नंबर के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. सो यही है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. एंड दोनों की प्रोडक्ट, दोनों के आंसर सेम ही आएगी. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, what we get? 3 multiplied by 2 plus again 3 multiplied by 1. ओके, पहले हम इन दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, फिर इन दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, फिर दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन का हम एडिशन करेंगे. सो लेट्स डू द सम. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 3 multiplied by 1, so it's 3. 6 plus 3, answer is 9. And now let's do addition first and then do multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. First of all, multiplication 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So you can see that answer is same. Okay, in the both of the side answer is same, but we will do multiplication first and then we do addition. So this property will be very useful in many examples. Okay students, we learnt properties of multiplication. Now let's learn about multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. ओके, हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रॉपर्टीज देखी. अब हम सीखेंगे कि किसी नंबर का 10, 100 एंड 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करना है. दिस इज वेरी इजी. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. ओके, सो एक के बाद जितने ज़ीरो होंगे उतने ज़ीरो हम इस नंबर के बाद लिखेंगे, जिसका हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं उस नंबर के बाद लिखेंगे. सो यहाँ पे एक के बाद एक ज़ीरो है, so we will put 1 0 after 12. On the right side of a number we will put 0. 12 multiplied by 100. You can see that there are 2 zeros after 1, so we will put 2 0 after this number. So 12 100. Okay, 12 multiplied by 1000. Now how many zeros we put after 12? We will put 3 zeros because there are 3 zeros after 1. So 12,000 is our answer. So multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000 is really easy. Okay, let's see another example. 321 multiply by 10, we will put just 1 0 on the right side. Okay, there is only 1 0 after 1, so we will put 1 0 in this number on the right side. So our answer is 3210. 321 multiply by 100, we will put 2 zeros after 321. So this is our answer. So our answer is 32,100. Okay, 321 multiply by 1000. Now we have 3 zeros. So we put 3 zeros after this number. So our answer is 3,21,000. So it is really easy, right? Okay students, we learned multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Now we will learn multiplication of a number by multiple of 10, 100 and 1000. So how we do it? Let's take an example. 8 multiply by 30. Okay, 8 multiply by 30. In the previous topic, the example was 8 multiply by 10 and our answer was 80. Because we have to put a 0 after 8. It was very simple, but here it is multiple of 10 here, okay, 30. So what we do here? We will write this number like this: 8 multiply by 3 multiply by 10. Okay, we know that 30 is equal to 3 multiply by 10. If we multiply 3 by 10, we get 30. So we can write 30 like this: 3 multiply by 10. Now let's do multiplication. 8 multiply by 3 is 24 and multiply by 10. Now 24 multiply by 10 is 240. In just previous topic we learned that we will put 0 after the number. Okay, एक के बाद जितने 0 होंगे उतने 0 हम नंबर के बाद लिखेंगे, तो हमारा आंसर है 240. So 8 multiply by 30 is 240. Let's take another example. 12 multiply by 20. Okay, so what will we do here? We will write this 20 as 12 multiply by 20 को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 2 multiply by 10. Okay, 2 multiply by 10 is 20. So we will do this sum. 12 multiply by 2 is 24, 240, just like this. So our answer is 240. So multiplication of a number by multiple of 10, 100 and 1000 is easy, right? Let's see some other examples. 223 multiply by 400. Okay, 223 multiply by 400. So what will we do here? We will first of all write 223. Okay, now we will write this 400 like 4 multiply by 100. Okay, we can write 400 by 4 multiply by 100. 4 multiply by 100 is 400. Okay, now let's do multiplication of these two numbers first. Okay, 223 multiply by 4, 4 multiply by 3, 12. We will write 2 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. 4 multiply by 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1, 8 plus carried over 1 is 9. 4 multiply by 2 is 8. So our product is 892. So we will write 892 and then multiply by 100. Then our answer is, what we do here? एक के बाद जितने zeros है उतने zeros हम इस नंबर के बाद लिखेंगे. So 892 and then these two zeros. So अब हमारा आंसर है 89,200. 200. Okay, same with multiple of 1000. 1000 के multiple के साथ हम same process करेंगे. For example, 223 multiply by 5000. Okay, so how we will write this number? 223 multiply by, now 5000 को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 5 multiply by 1000 which is 5000. So हम पहले इस दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, फिर उसके आंसर के साथ हम 1000 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then our product will be there. You can see that there is an example here. Find product of 7346 and 214. So now let's do the sum. 7346 multiply by 214. Okay, so what will we do? हम क्या करेंगे? हम राइट साइड से मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सबसे पहले 4 को हम इस सभी नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 1 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सब नंबर के साथ, एंड देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 2 विथ एवरी नंबर्स. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द राइट साइड. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Okay, so from this 24 we will write this 4 here and we will carry these 2 to the next number like this. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Now we will add carried over 2 in 16. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, so from 18 we will write 8 here and we will carry over this one to the next number. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, 12, and we will add carried over 1 in 12, we get 13. So we will write 3 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. Now 4 multiplied by 7 is 28 and we add carried over 1 in 28, we get 29. Now there are no further numbers, so we will write 29 here. Now let's do multiplication by 1. So we will put 0 here first, okay, then we will start doing multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. In the last topic we learned, in the properties of multiplication we learned that multiplication of a number with 1 is the number itself. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Okay, now let's do multiplication by 2. But before we do that, we will put 2 zeros here. Okay, now let's do multiplication. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So we will write 2 here and we will carry over this one to the next number. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Now let's do addition. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. So we will write 4 here and we will carry over 1 to the next column. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So we will write 0 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. So we will write 2 here and we will carry over 2 to the next column. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So we will write 7 here and then we will carry over 1 to the next column. Now 1 plus 4, 5 and last is 1. Okay, there are no digits here, it means there are 0 here. So our answer is 15,72,044. Okay students, now let's see another example. 73,562 and 5,038. We have to find the product of these two numbers. So we will do multiplication. 73,562 multiplied by 5,038. Okay, so let's start from the right side. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. So we will write 6 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. And if we add 1 in 48, 48 plus 1, we get 49. So we will write 9 here and we will carry over 4 to the next number. Now 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 and 40 plus 4 is 44. So we will write 4 here and we will carry over 4 to the next number. Now 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 and 24 plus this carried over 4, 28. So we will write 8 here and we will carry over these 2 to the next number. Now 8 multiplied by 7, so it is 56 and we add 2 in 56, we get 58. So we will write 58 here. Now let's do multiplication by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. We will put 0 here first. Okay. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So we will write 8 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. 3 multiplied by 5, 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. So we will write 6 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 9 plus carried over 1, 10. So we will write 0 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. Now 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So we will write 22. Now let's do multiplication by 0. So we write 2 zeros here. Okay. So let's start doing it. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. In the properties of multiplication, we learned that product of a number and 0 is always 0. 0 का किसी भी नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 0 ही आएगा. 0 multiplied by 6 is 0, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0, 0 multiplied by 3 is 0, 0 multiplied by 7 is also 0. Now let's do multiplication by 5. We will put 3 zeros here. Okay. हम एक लाइन नीचे आए तो हमने एक 0 लिखा, उसके बाद नीचे आए तो हमने 2 0 लिखे, अब उससे भी नीचे जाएंगे तो हम 3 0 लिखेंगे. ओके. हम जितने नीचे जाएंगे उतने 0 यहाँ पे ऐड करते जाएंगे. सो लेट्स डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So we will write 0 here and we will carry over 1 to the next number. 5 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. We will write 1 and we will carry over 3. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So we will write 8 here and we will carry over 2 to the next number. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So we will write 7 here and then we will carry over 1 to the next number. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So we will write 36 here. Now we will do addition. So 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 6. 6 plus 9, 15. So we will write 5 here and we will carry over 1 to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. So we will write 3 here and we will carry over 1 to the next column. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. So we will write 5 here and we will carry over 1 to next column. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So we will write 0 here and we will carry over 1 to next number. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 16. So we will write 6 here and we will carry over 1 to next column. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So we will write 0 here and we will carry over 1 to next column. Now 1 plus 6 is 7 and last is 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is, this is hundreds period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So our answer is 37 crore 6 lakh 5356 is our answer. Okay students, now look at this example again. ये हमारा फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है जो हमने फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लिया था एंड इन दोनों नंबर्स की प्रोडक्ट थी ये. ओके, सो व्हाई डिड आई राइट इट अगेन? मैंने ये फिर से क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट जो ये वाला प्रोडक्ट है जिसका 4 का हमने इस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, उसके बाद जो ये नंबर्स मिले वो एक्चुअली में 7346 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 से मिला है. ओके, नाउ 4 इज ऑन वंस प्लेस. इन 214 4 इज ऑन वंस प्लेस. ओके, सो 4 का प्लेस वैल्यू हुआ 4 और उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन इस नंबर के साथ करने से ये आंसर आया. नाउ 1 इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस. ओके, 1 10 100. 1 इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस. सो 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हुई? 10. ओके, सो हमारा ये सेकेंड स्टेप है, जो ये सेकेंड रो है उसकी जो ये प्रोडक्ट है, ये जो नंबर्स मिले हैं हमें आंसर मिला है उसका एक्चुअली 7346 का 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया जो है 10. ओके, सो इस प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया तो हमें ये आंसर मिला. अब 2 100 के प्लेस में है, राइट? सो 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू हुई 200. सो 7346 का 200 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमें ये आंसर मिलेगा. सो इस सभी डिजिट्स के प्लेस वैल्यू को हमने इस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है लाइक दिस. 7346 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 एंड अगेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 200. सो वी गेट दिस products and the final product is this answer. That is why we put 1 0 first here and 2 0 here before writing the multiplication. Okay, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे 0 इसलिए नहीं लिखा क्योंकि 4 1 के प्लेस में है. ओके, यहाँ पे 0 लिखा क्योंकि 1 10 के प्लेस में है. ओके, और 10 में 1 के बाद एक 0 आता है इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे एक 0 लिखा. Now 2 100 के प्लेस में है. ओके, और 100 में 1 के बाद 2 0 आते हैं इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 2 zeros लिखे. सो दिस इज द रीज़न आई पुट zeros here. So this was our multiplication by big numbers, large numbers. Now let's solve some word problems. Okay students, now let's solve word problem. Here we have one word problem. The example is 5410 apples can be packed in one carton. Carton means box. How many apple can be packed in 2475 cartons? Okay, so example है कि एक कार्टन में 5410, एक कार्टन में 5410 एप्पल्स पैक किए हैं. ओके, सो 2475 कार्टन्स में कितने एप्पल्स आएंगे? ओके, सो एक कार्टन में इतने एप्पल्स हैं, तो इतने कार्टन्स में कितने एप्पल्स होंगे ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, इस नंबर को इस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो टोटल कितने एप्पल्स हम पैक कर सकते हैं वो हमें आंसर मिलेगा. सो लेट्स डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 5410 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2475. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट साइड. 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, 0. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. So we will write 0 and carry over 2 to the next number. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. And let's add this carried over 2 in 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Now we will put 0. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 multiplied by 1, 7. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. So we will write 8 here and we will put 2 next to the next number. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 35 plus 2, 37. So we will write 37. Now let's move on to the next number, which is 4, but before that we will put 2 zeros here. Now 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So we will write 6 here and we will carry over 1 to next number. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So we will write 21. Now let's do multiplication by 2, but before that we will put 3 zeros here. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So we multiplied all the digits with this number. Now let's do addition. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 का 0 के साथ एडिशन करेंगे तो हमें 5 ही मिलेगा. Now 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 0, 19. So we will write 9 here and we will carry over 1 to next column. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So we will write 8 here and we will carry over 1 to next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So we will write 3 here and we will carry over 1 to next column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. And last is only 1. So our answer is 100, 1000, lakh, 1,33,89,750 is our last product. So we can pack 1,33,89,750 apples in 2,475 cartons. So this was multiplication. So students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.